Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your weekly recap. We just wrapped up a high-energy community town hall that felt like a pulse check on the growing Star Atlas universe. The vibe was busy and productive, centered mostly on the HoloSim experience and the technical wizardry happening behind the scenes to keep the engine humming. We kicked things off with a deep dive into the analytics from the first 8 days of HoloSim, and the numbers are honestly impressive. The team shared that they're seeing about 200 new players joining every single day, with tens of thousands of combat interactions and mining notifications firing off constantly. One of the coolest technical updates mentioned was a new mechanism being built to automatically top up players' SOL accounts when they hit 0, ensuring that the gameplay flow isn't interrupted by transaction fees. But the real star of the technical segment was a peek behind the curtain at how bugs are being handled. After a few hilarious technical hiccups with Discord, John revealed that he's built an automated, an AI agent that takes screenshots of player bug reports and triages them into a public, known issues board in real time. This automation is a huge win for the community because it frees up the developers to actually fix the game rather than just sorting through tickets, making the whole development cycle faster and more transparent. The discussion then shifted to what's coming next for HoloSim in Chapter 2 and beyond. The team is planning a major quality-of-life overhaul for the Galactic Marketplace to make buying and selling much more intuitive. We're also looking at a crew revamp where crew members will have wages and specific roles, and a new in-game marketplace for catch-up bundles to help new players get up to speed. For the explorers out there, the map is getting a fluid zoom feature, allowing you to go from a bird's-eye view of the galaxy all the way down into active combat sectors seamlessly. In other news from the event, the hype for the C4 PTR is officially reaching a fever pitch. The internal team has been testing the build on the Zinc testnet, and it sounds like they are finishing up a massive UI/UX pass to make the galaxy map look absolutely stunning. We can expect a move to a closed beta for SAC server testers in the coming weeks, followed by a PTR that functions similarly to HoloSim, where players will receive starter bundles to fight their way through the simulation. Before wrapping up, the team gave a huge shout-out to the community for their feedback on the NPC Nemesis system, which seems to be a hit despite the occasional sabotage from rival factions. There was also a special mention of the lore wiki launching tomorrow, which features months' worth of reading material for the deep lore enthusiasts. To close things out, don't forget to use the event code PrettyPenguin for the Iris Blessing campaign to grab your tickets for the solar ship drawing. If you want to dive deeper into the lore or stay updated on the C4 progress, make sure to join the Lore Keepers session tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the stars.